Aloha guys, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today I'm going to teach you the lick of the day. So what it was is, so let's take a look at what that is. We start off here with this shape on the 7th fret of the top string. So I'm using my 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string. My 2nd finger is on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, and my 1st finger is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And so I'm running down that way. And then I catch the 7th fret of the 2nd string with my pinky. I go back here, and then back to the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And then now the next part is, on the 1st string, 3rd fret, back to the 2nd string, we go 7th, 3rd, and I end on this note here on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, but what I'm doing is I'm actually using that note to springboard into the next part, which is kind of the same thing, but I'm letting them ring together. So ring that together, right? So, and then you play it open. So 3, 7, then I'm playing the open 1st string, and then I go down to the 3rd string and to the 5th fret. So it goes like that, okay? And so that's the lick, and a lot of you might be wondering, when am I going to use that? What the hell is that lick even for? It's if you're sitting on the G7 chord. So if you got that going on, you can... Okay, so something like that. Alright guys, so that was the lick of the day. As usual, if you like the lick, go ahead, hit that like button below. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate more subscribers. And also, if you like the way I teach, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. And if you sign up today, you can get 2 weeks free. So check it out guys. Aloha.